All right, so now let's go ahead and talk about Cardano real quick. Is the price stuck at 96 cents? You guys can see that the market is kind of trading within a range. We haven't seen the market break out ever since what? Beginning of December. The market here in ADA or Cardano has just been merely trading and bouncing in between $1.20 all the way down to 80 cents. So what's going to happen next? Will we break out or will the market break down in ADA? Let's go ahead and try to figure that out, because currently what I'm seeing off the chart from our last video in ADA was for price to go higher. And this is the second time that we've seen price in ADA get rejected at that sell pocket. Is that a good thing? Is that a bad thing? From my perspective, it's a bad thing. We wanted to see the buyers break through this sell pocket so that we can see prices continually go up. But instead of them giving us that information, it got rejected. So that's not a good thing. I'll tell you something else that is a good thing though. We're seeing the market in ADA bounce off our pocket of buying though. You see that right there on the 27th? The market bounced off this pocket of buying. We needed to see that. So now the market in ADA is trying to lift back up and test this sell pocket around $1.12. Now here it is on the 2. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Let's take a look at ADA on the 3. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? From this perspective, I would have to say I'm a little bit more bullish than I am bearish. There are bearish tendencies being revealed here on this chart, albeit I'm giving credit to the buyers because of that bar. These two bars here, and then this bar, okay? That's showing me that the buyers want it just a little bit more. Now, am I saying that I have a high confidence that they will continue to control price? No, I can't say that, because they're not capitalizing this breakage that we need to see at this sell pocket. That's the only thing it's not allowing me to have high confidence that the market is going to be controlled by the buyers and that 8 is going to continue to move up right now. I just don't see it from that round. Same thing here on the 4. Quick look at ADA on the 5. Here is ADA on the weekly chart. 2 weeks. 3. And now let's look at this on the 330. Okay, so yeah. I'm not too convinced that the market here in ADA is extremely bullish. But we might see the market try to run to our break even. Because looking at this on the 330, this is a sell pocket right here now. Someone is trying to sell their ADA right there in that pocket. And then let's do another pocket of selling, just right here. So like, even though I was giving a little bit more credit to the buyers in the market in ADA right now, we have 2 additional pockets of selling that we need to make sure we don't forget. Okay, that one, and then that one. So all in all, we might just see ADA consolidate. We might continually get that price action in ADA. What do you guys think? Should we remove this prediction and look for price in ADA to go down? Or should we look for the market in ADA to continue to try to lift up? I'm going to look for the market in ADA to try to lift up, but not necessarily lift up to the point to where we can make profit, right? We might just see the market in ADA run to this pocket of selling or this one, and then we might need to let it go, just that we can minimize these predicted forecast losses right there. Because I'm not extremely bullish into the market in ADA yet, but I at least want the market to rise a little bit more so that we can minimize the losses and probably cancel this idea of looking for ADA to go up to looking for it to go down. So I'm gonna keep this here a little while longer. I'm not going to change it, but I will be paying attention to whether or not these buyers will break this pocket of selling, and then if this one would break. If so, then cool. But if not, you don't have to be afraid. You don't have to question. You don't have to say, well, what's going on in ADA? The reason is because these people right in these pockets are the ones that's doing all the selling. So if it doesn't go up, be mad at those people. All right, so I'm gonna leave it right here for the time being. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.